We'll guide you through how to combine and merge videos together on a computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here are the videos I wish to go and merge into one. I've got 3 here, but you may have more or less, it doesn't matter. It's really convenient to go and have the videos into one, as perhaps you want to go and upload it to YouTube or somewhere else and you want them to be all together. So we'll guide you through the steps in order to go and do this. So we are going to be using a website for this, which is free and easy to use. And you can actually go make further edits as well as going and merging and combining them into one. So go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, it's what I find easiest. Now, what you want to do is go and search for a site called Canva. So you may have known this for a graphic design tool, but it's also got a video editor. So what you want to do is come to canva.com. You will need to go and sign into an account. I'm already signed in. You can even just use your Google account or you can create one. Now, what you need to do is you want to go to the top left and you can press create and you'll get this pop-up. Come to the left and you can go and press videos. And then what you can do is go and choose the size. I'll do a video landscape and click this here. Come to the bottom left and you can go and press the plus and you want to press uploads, then press upload files. And then what you need to do is go and find the videos you want to do this with. You can go and drag them by clicking and holding or hold control and select the ones you want. Press open and you're going to go and see they're now uploading. So go and be patient, you can view the progress. When they finish, then what you can do is click and hold and drag them into this timeline like so. You see that blue line appears and it's then in here. And what you can then do is go and grab the next one, click, hold and drag it after it like so. And what you can do is go and keep on repeating that until you've gone and added them all in. And what you can also do is go in between each clip here and you can go and choose a transition if you want. Hover over it or say add transition and you can then add a dissolve or whatever you want. And if you come over to the left, you can go and press on tools and see the different things you can go and add onto the video. When you're ready, you can go and press share in the top right and then you can go and press download like so. We'll choose MP4. You can go and increase the quality more, but you'll need the pro version. And then what you can do is go and press download and wait. Be patient while it completes and it will then download. And then what you can do is you can come and open up your file explorer and you'll be able to go and find it in your downloads. All those videos will then be in one. Leave a like if you found this useful.